Volcano experiment. Place the 3 mold wall pieces into the mold base in any order. Ensure the side of the mold walls are even. Pour the entire contents of the volcano plaster back into a container. Pour 1 cup water in the container and continue mixing until you've reached the thick but pourable consistency. Once plaster is ready, pour the contents into the volcano mold. Let sit for 35 to 40 minutes. Once the plaster is set, carefully remove it from the volcano mold. Gently scrape off any mold lines left behind and let plaster dry completely before painting. Paint your volcano any way you like with the included paints. How is the volcano? In a separate container, mix together eruption powder 1 and eruption powder 2. Once mixed, place 1 tablespoon of the mix into the top of the volcano and pour 1 cup of water in the volcano. Watch as the volcano erupts.